Good morning, all my dear students and teachers. Today, let us discuss about what colors we use in printers. In recent video, I already discussed about which colors we use on computer screen, mobile, everywhere. There we use RGB model. But in printers, for printing, which colors we use? Here we use CMYK color model, my dear students. So CMYK color we use here. That's very important. So first of all, let us know CMYK is nothing but what? C for cyan. Cyan means which is a combination of blue color and green color. When we mix blue and green, we get this color. Just you look at the screen. This is called cyan color. And next one is M. CM. After M, M is nothing but magenta. Magenta is nothing but it is a mixture of pink and red color. In that case, we get this color that you are observing on the screen. This is magenta color. Third one is everybody know this is yellow color, and fourth one is everybody know that is black color. So these four color, that is first one is cyan color and magenta color, yellow color and black color. These four major colors we use as a primary colors in printing. All the printers use these colors, remember. So here already I repeat once again, but once again I want to repeat here. C for cyan, that is which is the combination of blue and green color. M is nothing but magenta, which is a mixture of pink and red color and yellow color, everybody know. And K is nothing but that is K indicates black color, that is K for key color, that is very highest important color is black color in printing. So why CMYK color we use? Why we don't use RGB color, that is red, green, blue color, as we use in computer screen, mobile and all the screen display in digital display? Why don't we use RGB? Why should we use CMYK? That is a question. The reason is we use CMYK is used for printing, that is for physical paper we use CMYK, and we use RGB, that is red, green, blue, is used for screens like phones and computers. Okay, printers mix CMYK inks to produce many colors while screens mix light RGB. So here to get different colors in printing paper, printing on paper, we mix different ways, that is CMYK colors we mix in different varieties, so that we can give different colors in printing. But for screen, in screen we use only RGB, that is RGB colors we mix and we get number of different colors. That is the difference between CMYK and RGB. So here printers, how do they give the colors? For first of all, how colors are produced, how different colors are produced, that is the question. Here printers place tiny dots of CMYK on paper. So here printers do what? They put tiny dots of which color? CMYK on paper. Okay, after that what it does, by mixing these in different amounts. So after that the next process is it mix up this CMYK color in different amount. Different amount means if the one color is major means it is in high quantity. In that way it mix in different amounts so that different colors we can get. Okay, so they create red, green, blue, orange. When we mix CMYK we get so many different colors. Example, we get red color, green color, blue color, orange color, etc. Here we use black for what? Here we use black so that we can make text darker. I think most often you observe that printer text is usually black in color, so that is why we use black color for to make text darker. Okay, so next one is example of CMYK color. To print green color, what we have to do? To print green color, printer mixes cyan plus yellow. To print red color we mix what? Magenta and yellow. So these are some process. If I want to get green print, I have to mix cyan and yellow. If I want to get red color, I have to mix magenta and yellow. So these are the important things. So some extra colors also there. Advanced printers use different strategies. That is, some high quality printers may use light cyan, light magenta, photo black. So in advanced printers they use some high quality printers, that is I'm talking about high quality printers. They use advanced colors, that is they called light cyan, light magenta, photo black. These are the advanced colors. These are used by only and only high quality printers. So before winding up, let us see the difference between CMYK and RGB. So full form of CMYK is cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and full form of RGB is red, green and blue. And what is the type of CMYK? CMYK comes under the type of subtractive color model. Subtractive color model, whereas RGB comes under additive color model. Where we use CMYK? We use CMYK in printers, that is paper printing, and we use RGB in screens, that is TV screen, mobile screen, computer screen. What are the base color in CMYK? In CMYK, four colors are base color. Those are CMYK. In RGB, which are the base colors? Three colors, that is red, green, and blue. And related to color creation in CMYK, here we use by absorbing light. Here light absorbing method is used, and whereas in RGB by emitting light process has been used. So remember, in CMYK absorbing light method is used, in RGB emitting light method is used. When we are talking about background in CMYK, starts with white paper. Background is in CMYK is white paper, whereas in RGB starts with black screen. So in RGB starts with black screen, in printers it starts with white paper. Example of CMYK is printed book, photo. Example of RGB is mobile display, TV screen. These are the best example of RGB. Brightness, when we are talking about, CMYK gives less brightness, whereas RGB gives more bright and vibrant. And related to black color, CMYK uses separate black ink, that is called K, whereas RGB made by mixing RGB. RGB use black color by mixing RGB. That is the difference. So this is how we have discussed. And finally, before concluding, I want to say the key difference is CMYK color we use in printing, for that is on paper, hard copy. We use RGB for display, that is a light one. So this is how today we have discussed about the colors combination that we used in printing. So that is we use CMYK. I hope all my dear students and teachers have understand. So far in two videos in recent I have made video. In the first video I discussed about computer screen colors. Here I discussed about colors we use in printers. I hope all my dear students have enjoyed. I request everyone please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. And I request everyone please share all my dear friends who are interested in computer. So this is my humble request to share everyone, so that the interested students and interested teachers should get a benefit from my video. Thank you.